Good morning, respected judges. I am M. Srikant Patra of class 10th from PM Sri Kendriya Vidyalaya, Raigada. I am really interested in science and innovation, especially in building eco-friendly projects, means environment friendly projects. Today, I am presenting my project titled Levitating Car, the Future Eco-Friendly Transportation. The main aim of my project is to design a car that moves without touching the ground using superconductors and magnetic levitation. So, there is no pollution, no friction, and high efficiency. This car works on the principle of superconductivity and magnetic levitation. When the superconductor is cooled with liquid nitrogen, it creates a strong magnetic field that lifts the car above the magnetic track, just like a maglev train, but in a compact car designed safe. I have also added chambers for automatic cooling and liquid nitrogen storage to make it more efficient and safe. The unique part of my idea is that I have designed two reliable or refillable LN2 chambers which automatically swap the superconductor when one loses cooling. I have also added a safety system with emergency wheel while the both superconductivity and LN2 in the chambers are getting to finish. It automatically changed to EV mode, normal wheel mode. So even if levitation stops, the car can still move safely. So now, at last but not the least, I will explain how my model works, how I have made it safe, and how this design could help our future to be cleaner and faster. Thank you. Now I will explain about my model. This is microcontroller Arduino Uno. We can say that it is the brain of this whole setup, and I also used a motor driver named L298 and motor driver which help to run this motor, and a servo which direct connected to this microcontroller, and also I connected a Bluetooth module which helped me to control this whole setup with the use of mobile. When I will send a message to this microcontroller, first the message received by this Bluetooth module, then microcontroller will receive, then send to this motor driver by which the motor runs, and I will start this whole setup or power this whole setup by two batteries. For now I will use this 3.7 volt 2400 mAh 3 SSL, means total 11.3 volt battery to power this whole setup. First I will power the motor driver by this. Then I will power the microcontroller by which this whole system will start. For now I used two batteries, means this one and one power bank to run this microcontroller, because this microcontroller input voltage is 5 volt only, and to work this motor driver minimum 7.4 volt. So now I will connect this power bank to my microcontroller, this whole system get start up. See this. The Arduino gets started with this green light, and the L298 and motor driver starts with LED red light. I added this capacitor to give constant voltage to this motor. Now I will control this whole system by mobile because I added this Bluetooth module by which I can control it by Bluetooth. For controlling this, I have to turn on my Bluetooth, and an app named Serial Bluetooth Terminal. When I open this, here this is the interface, and here the connecting button by which this whole system will connect. This get connected. Connection lost here. now bearing connected. This whole system get connected by this mobile. Now if I will press this left, the servo will move left, and center, this is in center. When I will press this right, then it will move right. And if I will press this forward button, this propeller, means this motor, moves forwardly, by which it gives forward thrust, by which while levitating the car will move forward by this backward thrust. And if I will press this backward, this propeller move backward, by which this gives forward thrust, by which this car moves backwardly. Now I will see this. When I press left, this servo moves left, and when I move press center, this moves center. Right, left, center, right, left, right, center. And I will press this forward. The motor will, when I will stop, this motor gets stopped. Now I will, when I press this backward button, this gives backward thrust, by which this car will move forward, means backward. So this is my whole model. For levitating this by superconductor, I made a track of metal, means metal plate and magnets, neodymium magnets. This is a metal plate, and these are neodymium magnets, which are which help which help this car to levitate on this track by superconductor. Thank you.